Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you where is the air filter in VICTA. Alright, it's not attached to the engine like some of the 4-stroke 2-stroke has, but it is located here. It is located here next to the handle. Let me have a look. Alright, there is a cap here. It looks alright. Bit of tap. That's what there is. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, let me know. And then if you need more information about any machine, whether it's VICTA or Honda or anything, please send me a message. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.